Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Myntri Rangbah ke jela ubak Prestone Song, haba penpa ba umdan jingtep AA halor ke Jingbujli Myntri, ulang bay karai ban Bujli Myntri Sorkar ke Shong hau Myntri Rangbah ke jela. Ya kini sembut Myntri Rangbah ula jubab halor ke jingmi kubor bakalala bandan ke Jingbujli, ya ki katu kaningun ki Myntri hapo ke Sorkar Sendrop lang, ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA2, balelam ke National People's Party hau benai banwan. Habakran syakila patai kubor nakaliang jong ubak Prestone ubadeiru unong yalam ke NPP Meghalaya. Ulong halor kata kakam ya Bujli Myntri ngamdan AA banong ngamdan jingtip hendrai habayadei bagi Jingbujli Myntri ke Shongpat hakarai jong Myntri Rangbah ke jela ukandat ki sangma. Ubak Prestone ulong bagi Shong hakaman jong Myntri Rangbah lau idan kam ne em ban Bujli yaki Myntri. La ban kedau bahadian ke jingyat Arsnam Shiteng nadu bala shimti biang ke Sorkar MDA bakal la bandan ke Jingbujli Myntri ki katuk aningut hau benai banwan. Katgum ke bapau ki saungut ki Myntri ke Sorkar MDA ki bala ban Syak Bujli no ki long uba coming one amban uba AL Hek uba Shakler Wajri baru rakam e sangma. Katba ki saungut ki MLA ki bala ban Thong Bujli thamai haga jaka jongkini ki long uba wailat miki shila uba Sanbor Shulai bat Umar Thon J sangma. Laru ban penken mau banakaliang jong ubak Sanbor Shulai MLA ke BJP na South Shillong constituency uladap ban kren bat penpau bakaladan lupa ke jinyate kular ban shimti ke Shuki Myntri Mar Arsnam Shiteng bat ubak AL Hek MLA ke BJP na penthor umkra constituency.
That I have no comment at all. I have no idea about it because see, let me tell you one thing. As far as reshuffling of ministers is concerned, it is totally the prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister. So I have nothing to say with that. So it is up to the Honorable Chief Minister to take a call on this.
So there are reports that Bashakliar and Mr. Rakkan Sangma may be replaced by someone else.
No, that's what I'm saying. I have nothing to say on this or to comment anything because this is the prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister.